can see here, the llamas are in their natural habitat in the savanna desert of northeast Asia. They enjoy a nice nap and some grass. And there they're performing their mating ritual. And look, let's get the camera on the mating ritual. There you see the mating ritual. Soon they start having coitus, which is fancy word for sex. At first glance, they appear to be friendly creatures, but if you get too close, they spit. They're not the type for gargling or such. Also, in this extreme heat, they kind of sweat. And the sweat can be mistaken for urine and semen, so don't be fooled. Also, llama fur is very prized for its density and other features such as nipples. Fur. It's eating grass. That's epic. Eating the grass. Look at that. Chewing. See it sticking out of its mouth there? Oh, it chew. Oh, what a beauty. Well, anyways, I'm John Malkovich. This is NPR News. Thank you.
Hold on. Wait a second. That's it.
That's it?
Yeah, that's the melody of Funky Town. Won't you take me down to Funky Town?
No, tally the entry code.
For what?
The Chihuahua, a small dog from northeast Australia. Recently, Chihuahuas have been taking over small parts of Spain piece by piece. Herds of the vicious beasts have been taking out cows. They breed so quickly they can't be exterminated, and over 300 of them have eaten cows whole in life. As you can see, it is a horrible beast, and when they mark their territory, it is theirs for life. Animals know the smell of Chihuahua piss from other animals, and they know to stay away. These are vicious creatures and will kill on sight when given the chance. If you see a Chihuahua, use extreme precaution and bring a weapon. They will not hesitate to inflict physical pain upon you. As you can see there, look, it's waiting. Oh, it's huge. It's huge. That's by far the biggest Chihuahua. Look, let's get They're in that demonstration. It's getting away there. Look how large that one is. Yes. I don't want to get too close here. It's rather tricky business here. I'm gonna try to go in for a capture, but right. And you gotta come around behind it like this there. Get him by surprise, so he doesn't decapitate me. Yeah, bit me arm off. Bit me arm clean off. Bit me arm off. Yeah, I'm bleeding out. You got. Stop! I'm bleeding. Stop it! Stop! I'm bleeding.